In the heart of stunning Buena Vista, Colorado, there's a force that propels the spirit of adventure. The Buena Vista Singletrack Coalition, a nonprofit trail advocacy organization with a mission to build, maintain, and steward sustainable trails for all muscle-powered users. What does it take to create and maintain these trails? It takes understanding the diverse needs of our users, collaborating with local agencies and businesses, and fostering relationships with land managers. Through fundraising, grants, and the dedication of volunteers, we bring these trails to life. Our trails aren't just built, they're crafted with care. Thanks to our monthly volunteer groups, we ensure that these trails remain sustainable by design. But it's not just about building and maintaining, it's about educating. We believe in responsible trail use. Through signage, hands-on teaching with our volunteers, and engaging conversations with trail users, we spread the message of sustainability and shared responsibility. From the Whipple Trails to the world-famous Vitamin B to the Midland Trails and throughout the 4-mile travel management area, we're the stewards of adventure in Buena Vista. But to keep our mission alive, we need your support. Join us in preserving and expanding the beauty of our trails. Donate to the Buena Vista Singletrack Coalition, because together, we create the paths to adventure, and we love every step of the journey.